So boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video guys. So if you remember the last video, I put on the TE37s with the SPC ball joint and finally got the wheel alignment, and look how it sits now guys. Check that out. 100 times, way better. Look at that. Look at the rear camber. So better look in the sun. This is how the rears sit now. Look at that. Almost hella flush. From out here, check that out. Not bad. Check that out guys. Look how sick it looks. My favorite is the back. Look at the camber and look at the fitment. 100 times, way better. So suss that out guys. Like I said, the front can go in a bit more, but look at the back though. Look at that. Pretty sick, eh? Suss it out from here down. The back still needs a bit of work, and maybe the sides. So guys, in today's video what we're going to be doing is reinstalling this carbon fiber side skirt and this OEM side strakes, and hopefully it makes the car look 100 times way better. And guys, today I'm also hoping to install this Voltex Rear Diffuser, but I'm not too sure as I don't know if I can find the bolts for it. So if I can find the bolts, I'll install the Voltex Rear Diffuser. If not, we'll just install these goodies for now. So for those who remember, here it is, the carbon fiber side skirts and the OEM side strakes. Pretty lit, eh? But yeah guys, these side strakes and carbon fiber side skirts should be easy to install with just a few bolts. But with the side strakes, I'm not too sure if it'll fit properly, as if you remember before I wrapped this, there's a rubber seal across the top right here, and I think that stops the rocks and water and stuff getting in, and I think it makes it sit better flush. So if I put it in, as you can see, there is a slight gap. Maybe that's what the seal is for, but you know, I don't know where to get the seals. So for now, I think, yeah, we'll just bolt it in like this, and in the future if I find the seal, we can always take it off and redo it. So yeah, let's go. Gonna quickly wipe this down first, and then yeah, install these.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to go down the stone for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way.
Alright guys, we've just moved the car outside to take a better look, and I thought, you know, if I start the diffuser now, the sun's probably going to go down because it's like 4 o'clock. So I thought, you know, I better show you guys the first results before, you know, I waste some time on the diffuser. So let's head out and have a sass. Are you guys ready? It looks so sick, and it looks way lower, even though it's just the same, but far. Ready guys? Let's have a sass. So here it is. What do you guys reckon? 400 times? Way better. It's just a small side skirt, but it makes it 100 times way better. It makes the car look more boxy as well, which I kind of like. And look from here. Can't really see it on camera, but fuck me, that looks nice. Fuck yeah. Look from right here. Yeah, I'm actually liking this setup more with the T's than my RPF ones. Here it is from the back. The back doesn't look as good as the front, maybe until I added the diffuser, but what do you guys reckon? 100 times way better or nah? Like I said guys, the back isn't the best, as you can see, but suss it out from this angle. Wow, that's actually sick. suss this out. Wow, can't get too close to the gutter now, you know, got some rooms, but but guys, the back does need work, which I'll show you guys right now. Have a suss. Look at that. It looks sick as well, but just missing the diffuser. Look at it right here, just need the diffuser. Look at that, the rims kind of look big right now. Maybe the diffuser will help, but yeah. Guys, before the sun goes down, let's head in and put the diffuser on. Alright guys, I just finished putting everything on, the side strakes, the side diffusers, and the rear diffuser. And are you guys ready? Oh my god, it looks so good. It might not look as good because the sun is like setting right now, but hopefully tomorrow I can get better, you know, better lighting and better photos. But guys, let's have a suss before the sun goes down. Oh my god. Are you guys ready? Ready? Far out. Check that out, guys. 400 times way better. What do you guys reckon? Comment down below. Kind of sucks it's getting dark now, but suss it out. What do you guys reckon? So I had the same setup with my RPF ones, but guys, with the TE37s all black and the new wrap, it's 100 times way better. Check that out. What do you guys reckon? 100 times way better or nah? What do you guys reckon? 100 times way better or nah? Maybe in the future I'll make these middle brackets shorter, so then the middle piece can actually lift up and get closer to the bumper. But for now it will work. Check that out. What do you guys reckon? It's got to be the cleanest S2K in this household right now. Damn, in this household, cleanest. Even from here right now, guys, far out. Look, you can actually see the rear diffuser as well. That's actually lit. I'm not too sure if it's the TE37s making it better than the RPF ones, or because I'm kind of lower. Because with the TE37 setup, I am lower than the RPF ones, but who knows? But suss that out. 100 times way better. Can't get over how sick it looks. Yeah. Hey, don't worry. My roof leaking again, so I had to put duct tape for now. Alright guys, better lighting, suss that out. What do you guys reckon? Fine, look who's here. BM Beans and BM1.
I approve.
Yeah? Fine. Oh man, am I on that level yet?
Second cleanest in the southeast.
Imagine we had the hard on. The hard on. Fuck, the mega hard on. Fuck, look at that. That's actually jizzable. Fuck. Woo. Must be nice. Yeah, I know. Must be nice. Yeah, I know. Look at this guy in his Kathmandu.
Too bad it's for sale, yeah?
Yeah, for sale if you want to buy. Fast, say, gee, I know this guy. Who's the owner? I know the owner. Oh, is that Transformers? Robots in disguise.
Oh, go back roof down.
Fuck, who's MX5? Fuck, can I have your number?
Nah.
Shit, look, Yakuza mine. What? You got quick release? What? Can you show me? Fuck, yeah.
Oh, now hold out the door.
Too bad your engine's on like 238,000 kilometers. Alright guys, so now that the S2000's back at its prime, what do you guys think we should do? Like, can't really do much to the front and the side anymore, but I'm thinking maybe new tail lights. What do you guys reckon? AP2, Car Shop Glow, or Body Club? But Car Shop Glow is only baller stats, like for Mun and Beans. They're like 3K brand new, so that's probably out of my range. The Body Club ones, they look alright, but only some cars can suit it. And they're a bit cheaper, so I'm swaying more towards Body Club, but I don't know. I don't want to regret it, buy it and it doesn't fit. And you can't go wrong with AP2, but the thing is, it's so hard to find second hand. And if I'm buying brand new, I'll probably just rather buy a Body Club. But yeah, what do you guys reckon? Comment down below. Maybe I'll Photoshop something. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. What do you guys reckon of this new setup? ZPG S2K back at its prime. What do you guys reckon? 100 times way better or nah? So guys, comment down below what you guys think of the new setup. 100 times way better or nah? And what should I do next? Tail lights? I'm gonna try and fix the hardtop, so make sure to stay subscribed so that you can see the hardtop all fixed and ready to go. Guys, that's gonna do it for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters. Fuck. Oh yeah.
On the side.